Good morning, students. Today I will be basically discussing with you how to do geographical sums. As in the previous classes, we have been discussing about the time differences. It is very well known that for a longitudinal difference of 1 degree, time difference will always be 4 minutes. And when you go from west to east, you are always ahead, you are always losing time. Means the places on the east, the sun rises in the east and the sun sets on the west. Therefore, the time on the eastern hemisphere, or when you compare between two places, the places which are on the east, they will always have advanced or ahead time compared to its competitor or partner who is lying to the west of it. Places on the west always have delayed or behind time compared to its eastern partner. The eastern partner is always ahead compared to its western partner. Suppose if we discuss about the practicing of a sum when it is 2:30 p.m. at Guwahati, we need to know about the longitudinal degree of Guwahati. Suppose when you do a geographical sum and is asked to calculate times based upon the time of another place, the base place should also be earmarked for its longitudinal degrees. Suppose in today's sum, we are asked to calculate the time at London, which is located at 0 degree longitude, and Dublin in Ireland, which is located at 6 degree west longitude. And it is said that the time at Guwahati is the best place in this sum. The time at Guwahati is afternoon 2:30 p.m. and Guwahati is located on a longitude of 82.5 degrees east. The solution is London, we know, is 0 degree. It is neither on the eastern hemisphere, neither on the western hemisphere. Guwahati is to the east of London, east of the prime meridian. So definitely the Guwahati's longitudinal degree will be 82.5 degrees east. Ultimately, the longitudinal difference between Guwahati and London is going to be 82.5 degrees minus 0 degree is equal to 82.5 degrees. As it has been narrated earlier, in the earlier days, depending upon the sun's rays, people used to calculate time, and that tradition has remained even today, even after the use of machines and machineries and machine clocks. It has been assumed and expected with proof that when the longitudinal difference between two places, any two places, A and B, is 1 degree, time difference between those places will be maximum 4 minutes, nothing less, nothing more. Therefore, in the current sum in context, when longitudinal difference between London and Guwahati is 82.5 degrees, as Guwahati is situated to the east of London and London is to the west, the longitude of London is 0 degree, longitude of Guwahati is 82.5 degree east. Therefore, we have come to the calculation that 82.5 degrees minus 0 degree is equal to 82.5 degree longitudinal difference between the two places. So, if 1 degree accumulates for or accounts for a time difference of 4 minutes, 82.5 degrees would account for 82.5 into 4 is equal to 330 minutes time difference between the two places, Guwahati and London. As we all know, 60 minutes make an hour. So when we divide 330 minutes by 60, we get 5 hours 30 minutes, means 5.5 hours difference. As London is to the west of Guwahati, its time is definitely going to be behind that of Guwahati. Therefore, the time at London will be, we all knew that Guwahati time was 2:30 p.m. So, if we go back, 2:30 p.m. minus 1 is 1:30 p.m. minus 1 is 12:30 noon, minus 1 is 11:30 a.m. Again minus 1 is 10:30 a.m. Again minus 1 is 9:30 a.m. Again half an hour minus, it's 9 a.m. So when it is 2:30 p.m. afternoon in Guwahati, it is definitely going to be 9 a.m. at London in England. Next, we had the second part. Again, on the same basis, keeping Guwahati intact, we were supposed to find out the time at Dublin. Dublin is in the western hemisphere, as the longitudinal degree of Dublin is 6 degree west. Guwahati is in the east, Dublin is to the west. So the longitudinal difference, whenever calculated between two places which are in two opposite or separate hemispheres, always the longitudinal degree needs to be added, not subtracted. In case of London, in the previous part, I had subtracted Guwahati minus London because London's longitudinal degree is 0. It is in a neutral position. It is neither in the eastern hemisphere nor in the western hemisphere. But while coming to Dublin, Dublin and Guwahati are just opposite. Guwahati is in the eastern hemisphere and Dublin is in the western hemisphere. So as per the rule, as per the formula, the longitudinal differences of between these two places can be calculated only when we add up their respective individual longitudinal values. For example, Guwahati and Dublin is equal to 82.5 degrees longitude plus 6 degrees longitude. It is going to be 88.5 degrees. Now we all know when longitude difference is 1 degree, time difference is 4 minutes. Therefore, when longitude difference between the two places is 88.5 degrees, then time difference is definitely going to be 88.5 into 4 is equal to 354 minutes. As we all know, 60 minutes make an hour. So 354 minutes divided by 60, we will get 5 hours and 54 minutes. Just 6 minutes short and shy of full 6 hours. So as Dublin is to the west of Guwahati, its time is definitely going to be behind or delayed than that of Guwahati. This was narrated in the first part also. Therefore, if you come down, the time at Dublin is going to be when it is 2:30 p.m. at Guwahati. Time at Dublin will be, let us go back again, 2:30 p.m., 1 hour behind, that is 1:30 p.m., another 1 hour behind, 12:30 p.m., another 1 hour behind, 11:30 a.m., another 1 hour behind, that is 10:30 a.m., another 1 hour behind, that is 9:30 a.m., right? Another 54 minutes behind, that is 8:36 a.m. So it is 8:36 a.m. in the morning at Dublin in Ireland. People are having breakfast and getting ready for their jobs and going to the offices and all. When people in India, in Guwahati, in the eastern part of India, are having their lunch, okay, lunch at 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Therefore, with this example, I'd like to conclude by stating that time at places on the west, when compared to those in the east, are always delayed or behind. Whereas time on the other hand, time at places on the east, when compared with those in the west, are always advanced or ahead. And to find out the longitudinal differences between two places, if both the places are in the same hemisphere, suppose both places A and B are in the eastern hemisphere, then directly subtracting the lower longitudinal value from the higher longitudinal value will give the longitudinal difference, both in cases of eastern hemisphere as well as western hemisphere. But in cases of two places which are located in two separate hemispheres. Just now we got the example of Dublin and Guwahati. When both the places, A is in the eastern hemisphere, B is in the western hemisphere, okay, one is eastern, one is western, then the only way of gauging or calculating the longitudinal difference is by addition of their individual longitudinal degrees. Thank you so much.